Good morning students, how are you? Yes, let me continue the lines and angles. Okay, so in the lines and angles one more example is left. Let me do that first. It is given AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. Lines which are parallel to each other or parallel to each other. So it is given AB is parallel to CD. Again CD is parallel to EF. So you can write AB is parallel to EF also. And E is given EA is perpendicular to AB. So that means it is perpendicular. EA is perpendicular to AB means what you got, EAB is equal to, yes, perpendicular means it is equal to 90 degree. Then, and also given BEF is 55 degree. So these are given. So you must find what is X, what is Y and what is Z. Isn't it? What is X, what is Y and what is Z. So let us find the solution for this. Okay, you must remember the lines are parallel to each other. When the lines are parallel to each other, you know corresponding angles are equal, then alternate angles are also equal. If the lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal and alternate angles are equal. See, these two are, if BE is the transversal. Okay. What about these two angles? See, if I consider CD and EF, these two are parallel. And what is ED? ED is the transversal. So if ED is the transversal, sum of the interior angles of the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. That is the theorem, isn't it? So these two angles are, see, if I consider ED is the transversal and CD is parallel to EF. I can write CD is parallel to EF. And which is the transversal? ED is the transversal. What about these two angles? Yes, interior angle on the same side of the transversal. So I can consider ED is a transversal. So then I can say angle, which one? E plus Y is equal to, I can say. Otherwise, let me write FED plus ED. Anything else? Nothing is there. So I can write, no problem. So I can write interior angle on the same side of the transversal is what? 180 degree. So I can write, it is given BEF, that is nothing but BEF plus Y is equal to 180 degree. Why it is? These two are interior angle of the same side of the transversal. So interior angle of the same side of the transversal. 55 to that side. So it will become minus 55. So y is equal to 125. Y is equal to 125. Okay. Now you know y is equal to 125. What about these two? These two lines are parallel. Then BE is a transversal. Then what is this? Yes, these two are corresponding angles, isn't it? These two are interior angle of the same side of the transversal, whereas these two lines are parallel, and this angles are corresponding angles. So I can say if AB is parallel to CD and EB is a transversal. EB is a transversal, then I can say Y is equal to X because both are corresponding angles. So angle X is equal to angle Y, which is equal to 125 degree. Why both are equal? Because both are corresponding angles. So I can say both are corresponding angles. That's why both are same. Okay. So these two are corresponding angles. So now I have found out y and x. Y and x is over. Then I should find out z. Okay. When I consider z, these two are parallel and AE is the what? Transversal. So if AE is the transversal, let me forget this line. Okay. Let me forget. So if AE is the transversal, AB is parallel to CF. What about these two angles? Yes, interior angle of the same side of the transversal. So I can say AB is parallel to EF, and if AE is transversal, then I can say interior angle on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. So I can say this is how much? 90 degree. Z plus 55 is equal to 180 degree. So I can write 90 plus Z plus 55 because this is 90 and this the whole thing is Z plus 55. So Z plus 55 is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the interior angle of the same side of the transversal. Sum of the interior angle of the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. So 90 plus Z plus 55 is equal to 180 degree. What is 90 plus 55? Yes, you must tell me now. 145. Isn't it 5? 9 plus 5 is 4. So transpose, yes, 145 to that side. So Z is equal to 180 minus 145. What is 180 minus 145? 35. So Z is 35. Okay. Now you got the value. X is 125, Y is 125 and Z is 35. So you must use all the concept, isn't it? Here we have used all the concept. the line which are parallel to same lines are parallel to each other. Then when two lines are parallel to each other, the corresponding angles are equal. When two lines cut by a transversal, sum of the interior angles of the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. Remembering all these things, we have completed the sum, isn't it? Hope you have understood this. X is 125, Y is 125 and Z is 35. So let us move on to the next sum. Try to understand the question and try to answer it. Okay. So let us see this sum. Find the value of x and y and then show that AB is parallel to CD. So here he has not given AB is parallel to CD. We must prove. So when we must prove, you must see whether alternate angles are equal or corresponding angles are equal. Then you can say they are parallel to each other. So here you must find the value of, to find x and y, and then to show AB is parallel to CD. So the solution is, so when two lines are cut by a transversal, otherwise you can say when the ray stands on a straight line, sum of the linear pair is equal to 180 degree. So I can say if this is a ray stands on a straight line, so I can say 50 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Ray standing on a straight line, sum of the linear pair, or you can write only the linear pair, anything you can, 180 degree. So 50 plus x is 180 degree. So x is equal to 180, transverse plus 50 to that side, it will become minus 50. So x is 130 degree. So what is x? 130. Okay, this is 130. Now here it is given something you can write. So if you want, you can name it also. When you name it also, because in the book it is not given, if you want you can name it as, okay, EF, GH. If you want, you can name it, if you want. Otherwise you can write straight away, no problem. GH. Then, what is these two? When two lines intersect, these two are vertically opposite angles, isn't it? So I can write y is also equal to 130 degree because it is vertically opposite angles. Because these two are When two lines intersect, I can say EF and CD intersect at H. So, vertically opposite angles are equal. So, I can say EF is the line and CD is the line which intersect at H. Then, vertically opposite angles are equal. So, EF and CD intersect at H. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So, these two are vertically opposite angles. So, if I consider AGH, that is 130, then CHF, that is also 130. So, I can consider, so now I have find out X and Y, isn't it? X is 130, Y is also vertically opposite angle 130. Now, I should show AB is parallel to CD. So, to show that, let me write angle AGH. Angle AGH is equal to AGH is equal to CHF. Both are 130. AGH and CHF. Both are equal to 130 degree. So that means corresponding angles are equal. When corresponding angles are equal, you can say that two lines are parallel. Therefore, AB is parallel to C. When corresponding angles are equal, the lines are parallel. Okay? Understood now? So, both X and Y are same. Then, corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, the lines are parallel. Let me do the next sum. If AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF, and Y is to Z is equal to 3 is to 7. It is given, find X. Find X. So it is given AB is parallel to CD. CD is parallel to EF. Again it is given AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF. So the lines which are parallel to each other are parallel to each other. So I can write AB is also parallel to EF. So let me find out CD is parallel to EF. CD is parallel to EF because here YZ is given. So I can say what is these two? These two are corresponding angles, isn't it? So, it is given AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. So I can write AB is also parallel to F. Lines which are parallel to each other are parallel. Then it is given y is to z is equal to 3 is to 7. To find, you should find only the value of x. That is enough here. Okay? Yes. So let me consider what about these two. So if you know, you can write G, H, I, J. If you want, you can give the name. No problem at all. Okay. So what is HID and IJF? Because it is given CD is parallel to EF. When they are parallel, when their corresponding angles are equal. So I can say HID is equal to IJF is equal to Z because they are corresponding angles. Isn't it? So I can write HID plus HID is equal to IJF. Corresponding angles. When they are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. So I can say HID is equal to IJF. Okay? Both are equal. So that means this will be equal to Z because these two are corresponding angles. What about these two? Yes, they form a linear pair. When a ray strands on a straight line. So if IG is the ray, then sum of the linear pair is equal to 180 degree. So I can write y plus z is equal to 180 degree because they form linear pair. So what is y? Y is 3x. Because if it is in the ratio, you must write. But x is also already there. Let me consider some m. 3m and 7m. So y is to z is in the ratio 3 is to 7. So 3m plus 7m is equal to 180 degree. So 3 plus 7 is 10m is equal to 180 degree. M is 180 divided by 10. M is 18. M is 18. So what is y? Y is 3 into m. So 3 into 18. 54. What is that? 7 into m. So 7 into 18. 126. Okay. Now you know y and z become minus 54. So what is 180 minus 54? Yes, 126. Very good. 126. Now you got the value of x, isn't it? Now you got the value of x. So x is 126. First these lines are parallel. Again CD is parallel to EF. Lines which are parallel to each other are parallel to each other. So AB is also parallel to EF. So these two are parallel. Then I can say these two are corresponding angles. So if this is Z, this is also equal to Z. Then I can consider when a ray stands on the straight line, sum of the linear pair is 180 degree. So y plus z is 180 degree. Whereas here y and z are in the ratio 3:7. That is 3m and 7m. So I have substituted for y 3m, z as 7m. So 3 plus 7 is 10. So 10m is equal to 180. M is equal to 180 divided by 10, 80. So now I got y is 3 into 18, 54. Then z is 7 into 18, 126. So z is 1. We got z is. Now I want x, not y and z. So it is given AB is parallel to CD and this is a transversal. Then these two forms interior angle on the same side of the transversal. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree, where y is 54. I have substituted x plus 54 is equal to 180 degree. Transpose 54 to that side, it will become minus 54. So 180 minus 54 is 126. So the value of x is 126. Okay, understood now? Hope you have understood this. Let me continue the same thing in the next class also. Don't write, I will send the notes. Okay, thank you students.